Okay, so we have a chemistry question that says calculate the relative atomic mass of calcium hydroxide. Now, you need to understand that when you talk about the relative atomic mass, it is just the average mass of the given substance. So now, the first step here, what you do is you need to write the chemical formula for calcium hydroxide. So now, calcium is a metal, and the symbol for calcium, it is this. It is Ca there. Now, keep in mind that calcium is found in group 2, meaning there's a valency of 2. Now, hydroxide is a radical. A radical is just a molecule that has its own valency. Now, a radical, this radical here has this formula, OH like this. O simply means oxygen, H simply means hydrogen, and has a valence of what? 1. So what we do next, we do this. This one supposed to come here, these two supposed to come there. So the next step, it will be like this. It will be C, A, then 1 there. Now, since there's a 2 outside here, you introduce the brackets like this, and then you put a 2 outside. That's the actual meaning. Now, we continue. Now, this is a chemical formula. The next step, what you do now, you're supposed to find the what? The relative atomic mass. So how can you do it? Now you do this. You say 1, which is here, which is the 1 atom of calcium. 1 times the mass for calcium on the periodic table. So 1 times the mass for calcium on the periodic table. So it's like this. You say 1 times the mass. Now the mass for calcium on the periodic table, it is 40. So here you put 40 like this. You say plus. Now you say 2 times 1 here for oxygen is going to give me 2. Now 2 times the mass for oxygen. So it is 2 times the mass for oxygen on the periodic table like this. Now again you say 2 times 1 here for hydrogen. So you say plus. You say 2 times what? So 2 times 1 here, it is 1. Now if you check on the periodic table, the mass number for hydrogen, it is 1. So you put 1. So you say 1 times 40, it is 40. You put a plus like this. 2 times 16, it is what? It is 32. You put a plus like this. So 2 times 1, it is what? It is 2 there. Now you add 40 plus 32 plus 2 is going to give me what? 74, which is the answer.